Hey friends, welcome to a snowy day here in Colorado. Sun is out today, but last night it snowed almost 2 inches. So it's a perfect opportunity for us to give a demo and review for this corded electric snowblower. Now it's made by York, and it's actually a really budget-friendly model compared to the motor larger options that you can get. So what we're going to do on today's video is I'm going to show you quickly how to set it up. We're going to give it a quick demo, and then I'm going to give you a thorough review. Now inside the box, this is everything that you are going to receive. You can see the main blower here and then the handle, which is not attached. Again, for boxing purposes, they've detached that, so we'll need to put that on. You can see a couple other little small pieces here. Again, everything assembles fairly easily. So we're going to take our middle handle piece here. Basically, this just slots on either side. And what we're going to do is we're going to feed the bolt through the back side. It'll come out that front hole, and then you can take your little wheel here and we can make sure it gets nice and turned in and clamped down. Okay, we're now going to do the same thing with this upper handle part. When you're done, it should look like this. The green handle should be on the top here that we can squeeze to make it go. Again, we have our electrical cord running down there. And as you can see, the 4 green knobs holding our middle bar and our upper bar in place. Okay, next we'll put together the chute control rod here. Basically, one end with the hole just goes into the other like this. You have a little screw here, and we'll put that down into place to keep things together. Okay, so there is a little pin we can pull down here, pull that out. This is going to allow us to stick our rod down in the directional thrower area. Okay, so we're going to take our rod and we're going to feed it through the middle here. I'm just going to stick it in the end of this, and then we're going to put that pin back down through the hole here. There's a hole in the middle of the rod, and that will connect together to keep it in place. We're then going to come up, and I'm going to take the bolt. I'm going to stick it through here. I've got the washer and the lock washer that I'm going to put actually on top here. We do need to make sure the handle is in the downward direction here. And then I'll put the butterfly nut on. And that's now going to give us the ability to change the direction of where the snow is being thrown. Here's a better look at everything installed. Again, that rod coming up. As you can see, it pokes through right here, and it gives us that leverage to turn that handle. You can see as I turn the handle here, that nozzle will turn to the right or to the left, again, directing the snow where it's going to be thrown. And again, the bummer part of this is we have to have a cord that reaches all the way down to our sidewalk. No biggie with a couple extension cords. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here. There's a big gray button on the handle. I'm going to push that in. I'm going to pull this green handle back. That'll make it go. If you want to stop it, you just release. I'm going to have to hold this cord just so it doesn't get tangled up in my flow here. Okay, so let's do an official review on this thing. It's decent. So I like it in that in the soft snow, especially right after it snowed, before you get that ice kind of pack, it really does help somebody who doesn't have enough strength maybe to shovel, maybe a larger area that they need to clear. That, again, that manual labor with the shovel is really going to hurt them. Now, again, here's the negatives. This is a corded option, which means that cord gets in the way. You constantly have to be using cord management to get it back and forth. And again, it's just a little bit annoying, but it offers a much easier, simpler solution than having an engine to maintain on the larger snowblowers. So again, that's a really, really nice option with this electric, is that there's really zero maintenance here. It's plug into an electrical outlet and get going. The other thing I'll mention is that this nozzle here doesn't throw snow very far. You can see from our videos that the snow, again, is able to clear like a sidewalk, but I'm thinking on a larger driveway, it may not clear as you are moving. And again, you'd have to throw the snow twice, maybe even 3 times if you have a really, really large driveway to clear everything. That being said, it really does do a good job in the path that you are moving on. So there you go, friends. Definitely a decent little tool. Again, a very budget-friendly price, and maybe worthwhile for some of you out there looking for that extra help during the winter time. So if you're interested in grabbing one of these models for yourself, you can get it right here on Amazon. If this video has helped, give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned. We do a ton of these little tool review videos, and we will be putting a whole lot more out here really, really soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.